everyone, today we are going to learn dance on Udi Udi Jai. It's a very simple dance which you can do at weddings, parties, sangeet and anywhere. Very simple steps. First step, you will be like this with your right hand up and your left hand down, and you are going to make small waves when we enter. The music is very short before the real song begins, so we will do it very fast. So it goes 1, 2, 3 and turn. Okay, so how is it? The step is, first use your right leg, right, left cross, right cross, left cross and turn. Okay, we're going to have our backs to the audience, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then the next music, when the beat starts, the fast beat, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you're going to do basically, first start with your left leg. We're going to do tap, jump, tap, jump, tap, jump. So as if what you do when you're skipping, so we'll just skip. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How are you going to, hands going to go? You're going to make your hands like this. And you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So it starts with your left hand. Your left elbow would be almost touching your right wrist. So like this you're going to hold in 2 fingers and go click, 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 click. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The next step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are going to place both our hands like this and go 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to have your elbows out straight, shoulder level, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. With the step, you're going to go jump, back, jump, back, jump, back, jump, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to go this fast. After that, it starts with Udi Udi Jai. So first is out, Udi Udi Jai, Udi Udi Jai. So what are you going to do? I'm going to brush my right leg, keep it next to the left like this, with this flat, and the right leg heel up. Okay, so Udi Udi Jai, Udi Udi Jai, and then you go Dilki. Dilki, what do you do? Dilki. So 1, 2, 3. So it goes 1, 2, 3. In 3, you're going to take your hands and you're going to do a wrist flick. So your hands are here, 1, 2, then 3, flick, flick and bring your hands here. So 1, 2, 3 and turn. How do you turn? You go over your left shoulder and take your left, right, left together. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you take both your hands, keep it in the mudra like this, and you do right, left, right, left. You're going to go like waves, but it's going to be fast. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So First you go towards your left hand side, right hand side, left hand side, right hand side, this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. दिल की पतंग देखो उड़ी उड़ी जाए. So when you're going this side, when you're going on the left side, you give a slight jerk. So 1, 2, 3, 4. With your leg, what are you going to do? Place your feet like this. Take your left leg ahead. I've taught this in my other classes also. This is called the dipping step. It's very common in Indian folk. So it will be one standard step that if you learn, you can more or less pick it up for any dance. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Flat, 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 flat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So दिल की पतंग देखो उड़ी उड़ी जाए. The next step is udi udi jai. Our hands are like this and you go up, 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 up. From here you go up like this in the open mudras. Then you come back like this. Then you go up like this, come back, up, come back. How do the legs go? 1, 2. So to step with your right leg, 1 and lift up your left leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we are going to add a little jump. So jump up, jump up, jump up, jump up. You're jumping on the spot. This is called spot jumping, and you do it with both your legs. So jump 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So udi udi jai, udi udi jai. Then you again do this. Dil ki patang dekho udi udi jai. Okay. You take a step, 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 step. So what do? Cross, 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 cross. Nothing. I'm just, when I am picking this leg up to cross, I'm just giving a slight lift in my body. So cross, 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 cross. And what do you do with your hands? Your palms are out towards the audience. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. You can place your hands back here or you can leave them on your side. It's up to you depending on how fast you can do it, because the steps are very fast. Then so you're going to go कहने को तो खेल है ये la 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 la. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So how does it go? Where we went 1, 2, 3, then step. So you cross your right leg over your left like this, and our hands were finishing here. So we did 1, 2, 3, then 1. Okay, hands are like this. So 1, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So what is this? This is right and cross your left from the back. So it goes 1, 2, 3. You bend your body on your right hand side and with the left hip a little ahead, not straight with the body but a little out. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you cross with your left, then place your left here, cross with your right, then from here you turn and cross with your left. You go ahead and turn and cross with your left. Okay, so you go 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, then after that it is do dil udi. So do dil udi, what you going to do? 1 2 3 4. So you keep your hands here, come round as if you are, if you were to take care of your hair. So that is, you do 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So do dil ude, गूंजे आसमां से जो उड़े. Now one step is this. This is a very simple step. Okay, what is this? You go right and left, right, cross, right, left, left, right. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, so गूंजे आसमां से जो उड़े. Second do dil ude is, you're going to place your hands like this and you're going to do dil ude. Okay, so right together, right up. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So you're not stepping but you're shuffling across the floor. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now in the step you go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, look on that side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Look this side. Right. Then गूंजे आसमां से जो उड़े. गूंजे आसमां से जो उड़े.